Alexandra and me gonna show you the Power Pony, which is a big ponytail, makes it look like you didn't get up too late. Alexandra already washed the hair with ADDPOWER Shampoo. It's the perfect base for great styling. And then we're gonna use the ADDVOLUME Leave-in Conditioner, which detangles the hair and moisture at the same time. Coming to style, we're gonna use the ADDVOLUME Liquid Dust, which gives you great root lift and also gives a backcombing effect. For just the right amount of hold, you want to use the working hairspray to finish your look. And this is what we call the Power Pony.